This is a review on the Red Wolf electric tape cloth kind. This is some really good stuff, guys. Why do you say that? Why do I say that? Ken coming at you from Ken.com. Reviews on a few things that you use. In this case, I was looking for something to wrap my wiring in as I was doing the rewiring on my rebuild Firebird. Y'all go check me out. I'm at the Rodan 1970 Firebird True Phoenix site. But anyway, this stuff is good. Now let me tell you why I decided to do this commercial, this review. It's because I got some shad in my finger. And I didn't have any Band-Aids. So I said, well, let me just go tape it up. So this is the tape that I saw. Now I had already complimented the tape, but I didn't make no, recommendation. I had already said that it was good. I just picked it out off the internet. I saw that the car had some original cloth tape on it, and some people use that plastic tape. 3M got some good plastic tape, that's for sure. But this Red Wolf tape, this cloth tape, I was trying to take this stuff off my finger and I couldn't take it off. I could not take it off. And so as I was trying to take it off, oh, come on here, help me out. Hold the camera for me, please. So as I was trying to take it off, I couldn't see the stuff and I couldn't feel the stuff, and I'm looking and looking, I couldn't do it. I'm like, this is some good stuff. So I tried to pull it off, and you pull it off, look how difficult it is to pull that tape off. Now, it's not just because it was on my finger. This stuff is like this on the wire. This stuff is some really good stuff. So I just want to recommend this tape if you were using it for electrical or just about anything else. It seems pretty strong. It takes quite a bit of strength to break it. And I would say, buy it. Link in the description below. Thank you.